right here from DMC. Let's have a look at the DMC 458 Italia front bumper. This front bumper is internally called Monte Carlo at DMC, and that has a special reason. Back then, when there was only a normal 458 and no Speciale or Aperta, people were only rumoring what the new special version of the Scuderia would be called, like of the 458. Rumor had it back then that the new version would be called Monte Carlo, so we thought back then that it would be quite suitable for us to call the bumper Monte Carlo. We all know that the car was later called Speciale, but we kept that name for our product and find it quite suitable. We actually launched the product before Ferrari launched the official Speciale or Aperta, because we guessed the design based on some spy cars that were seen and spotted on the cars before. Now the DMC bumper is available in full carbon fiber, or you can also buy it in Kevlar with a little carbon fiber front lip. And the good news is, in DMC tradition, you don't need to modify your car at all. Basically, you take off the old bumper and put on the new DMC bumper. We're using the same hinges, the same brackets, so basically just old one off, new one on. And furthermore, if you decide to sell the car and the new buyer doesn't like that awesome look, you can keep your old bumper and put it back on at any time with no harm to the car. That was it. I hope you liked this little review of the DMC bumper. It has been out for a while, but recently we've been seeing more and more photos of the product again. So I think the 458 is now coming into that kind of age where it's more attractive, as in terms of price-wise, for people to buy 458 Italias. So I think if you want to spice up your Italia, this is certainly the look that you should add. Not only do you keep the sort of OEM-ish factory style look, it doesn't look tuned at all, but at the same time you add really an aggressive style to your car. If you want, we actually have a full package available. There are side skirts, rear diffuser, rear wing as well, either big wing or small trunk spoiler. Contact us for more details. If you liked the video, please leave us a like or a thumbs up depending on the platform you're watching this, and most importantly, leave us some comments to tell us what you liked or didn't. If you haven't done so yet, also subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos. Let me say thanks one more time for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Life.